All right, we are on the road. We are somewhere in Illinois after a couple of detours on the way to pick up the official first Second Chance Jeeps project vehicle. You excited?
Oh yeah. I got McDonald's.
All right, yeah, we've been on the road for a couple hours now, so we'll check in once we get a little bit closer. Should be there in about an hour. Big ass bunny rabbit. The road just turned bumpy. Here she is, folks. The official Second Chance Jeeps Comanche. It's an 88 Pioneer two-wheel drive. Drove from West Michigan down here to, where the hell are we? Illinois to pick it up. And of course the rockers are rusted. Floors don't look great. The rest of it seems pretty solid. It's a 4-liter 5-speed. And it's got a tailgate and taillights. Back home in the garage after a long day on the road. We left around 6 o'clock this morning, got back at about 4:30 or so in the afternoon. And the Comanche's home. So again, it's an 88 Comanche Pioneer package. I just want to give a quick walk around so you can see what's going on. It's got quite a bit of sag in the front, probably from 32-year-old springs settling a bit. I pointed out earlier that the rockers have the typical MJ rust in them. The floor pans not looking much better, but overall not awful. The interior is complete, which is nice because I know a lot of that stuff is super hard to find. A little bit of rust above the rear fender wells, but it's not all the way through, so that's good. It's got tail lights and a tailgate, like I pointed out earlier. And of course, it's got the grandpa cap. I mean, we kind of have to keep it, right? Look at it. It's got the bubble windows. It's got like the pinstriping and everything. You can't get rid of something like that. No, all seriousness, if somebody wants this cap, let me know and I'll cut you a real good deal on it. Also got a toolbox in the back. It's actually in really good shape, a Tractor Supply toolbox. Nothing wrong with it. I just don't need it, don't want it. We got new rocker panels down there and yeah, look at that. Nice straight tailgate. It's only a little spot of rust on it right there. It looks like there was just a paint chip and it rusted. Passenger side looking just as good. Excited to get to work on this thing. At some point I'll probably do a short video just talking about what my plans are for it, but I don't really like to list out all the plans because then I feel like I have to follow it exactly. And that is definitely not going to be this. It's going to kind of evolve, but probably just get it cleaned up, run it a little bit better, change the fluids, and quick tune-up, and then just drive it around for a bit, and then start working on it. So I'm really excited to start working on it, and hopefully you guys will follow along. So if you want to subscribe, that would be great. If you want to hit the little bell so you get notified whenever I put out a new video, that would be awesome. So appreciate you checking it out, and talk to you soon.